Hey guys, Kerry Werner here, BikeFlights brand ambassador, here with a helpful video to aid you in turning your old bike parts or gear into cold, hard cash. Is your shed, basement, or garage piling up with old equipment? Do you have your eyes set on a lusty new speed wagon, but there's no more hooks for which to hang it on? Well, BikeFlights isn't just a tool to help you take your bike to an event or on vacation. You can sell your gear online and use BikeFlights to help you safely and confidently get it to the purchaser. Let's walk through the process and go over some do's and don'ts about buying and selling your gear online. So you've got some stuff to sell. Great. First thing you're going to want to do is list that stuff. Some examples of personal listing platforms are eBay, Pinkbike, Facebook Marketplace, and Craigslist. If you don't want to deal with the listing process yourself, you could always reach out to a company like Pro's Closet. They do all the heavy lifting for you. You send them your photos online, they tell you how much they'll pay you for your bike. If you agree, you ship it to them. They take the responsibility of listing it and trying to make more money than what they gave you. Regardless of your means of selling, you're going to want to make sure your product looks as good as possible. That way you get as much money as possible when you actually sell your product. Make sure it's clean. Then take quality photos or videos in a well-lit area with a clean background. You can upload these later. Before making a listing, it's a good idea to do a little shipping research on BikeFlights.com. You can make some mock shipments to different shipping zones in order to get an estimated cost of shipping. This way, you can list shipping as a separate cost, or if it doesn't cost that much, you could list it as free shipping, which inevitably will draw more eyes to your product. Don't be afraid to advertise that you're shipping with BikeFlights so people are confident in the process. Also, don't forget to mention upfront where you will ship to. Internationally, nationally, only local. After you've finished your listing, copy your details so that you can easily paste the details across multiple listing platforms for increased visibility. Once your listing or listings are up and running, it's just a matter of waiting for the fish to bite. While you're waiting for somebody to buy your product, this would be a great time to gather your packing materials and shipping supplies. That way, when the sale goes through, you won't be scrambling to get the necessary goods to pack and ship your product. Local bike shops usually have excess cardboard boxes. Hardware stores have pipe foam insulation, which work great as frame padding. Your local UPS print and ship center will have tape and label fixings. If you're shipping small parts or gear, don't be afraid to reduce, reuse, recycle those online delivery boxes. Okay, let's say somebody just bought your bike or gear. We recommend that you, the seller, buy the shipping. That way you'll receive all the direct shipping communications, including labels, tracking information, and status updates from BikeFlights. You can simply share the tracking information so your buyer can stay up to date on the shipping status. Communicate with the buyer on whether or not they will need to be there to sign and what the best ship-to location and timing is. If the buyer isn't confident in their personal ship-to address, you can always ship to a UPS customer center, and they can pick it up there at their convenience. Once you've purchased your shipping label, you can pack your item, but make sure you do it properly. Lucky for you, BikeFlights has lots of packing and shipping related content, including a video I recently did on how to pack a CX bike, which would be a good example on how to pack any drop bar bike. The link for that will be in the video description below, along with other helpful links to guide you through this process. Once your product is packed, take photos inside and out that will document the good condition of your product prior to shipping. Should the unlikely event of loss or damage happen, you'll have these photos to back it up, and you'll quickly be able to file a claim in minutes online at BikeFlights.com. Be sure to measure and weigh your shipment carefully, then enter correct dimensions and weight during booking to prevent delays, return shipment, or additional charges. Always purchase premium protection to cover the market value of your buy-sell item. To determine the market value of your buy-sell type shipment, it's really easy. It's the price at which you just bought or sold your item, minus the cost of shipping, of course. Schedule a pickup and make things easy on yourself by saving a trip to the UPS customer center to drop off your shipment. Make sure you properly attach your label to your box. Lucky for you, I also made a video about that, which I will put in the video description below. Once your bike is on its way, you can sit back and relax knowing that BikeFlights has your back from here. Go ahead and count your money, or better yet, go buy that shiny thing you had your eye set on and get out there and shred it. Give this video a like, and for more helpful packing and shipping related videos, subscribe to the BikeFlights YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.